everyone, my name is Shania. So let's start the clicking pictures. Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you don't know me who I am, so my name is Shania and today I came with a new video of self-portrait ideas, which is I have created with some curtains. Obviously you heard right. What? I used curtain.
Okay.
I don't have the white sari, so that's why I had to use the white curtain because I wanted that net kind of fabric, and I have checked in my mom's wardrobe. She doesn't have white kind of color. I'm going to apply some alta out here. I will show you how I'm going to apply it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the props, the outfit, makeup, the background setup, behind the scenes and editing tutorial too. Like I got inspired for this look by Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. She played a Bengali look in Devdas movie. If you guys follow some Bollywood movies, then you guys will get to know. Look, it's kinda little bit similar. Not everything I'm gonna recreate. If you are interested to click pictures like this, then please keep on watching this video till the end.
Okay.
I want my hair to look curly, so that's why I'm gonna do some braids all over the hair, and I don't have any curler, so yeah, that's why I'm using this trick. I'm gonna wet my hair, and after that I'm just going to set my background. As you can see that I'm using my mom's saree, and I am going to wrap this curtain. As I mentioned before, I'm going to use this curtain, and there is one dupatta. And after that I just went to pluck some flowers from my garden, which is like I have roses and some of this I don't know the names of the flowers, but yeah, it looks so good, and that's why I'm going to pluck that one so that I will tuck it around my hair. And I'm gonna use this vase, that pot kind of thing, as a prop. So after that I plug this flowers and I will do my makeup. I will keep it simple only. I'm just started with concealer in the highlight points, and I will apply blush as lipstick too. And yeah, not that much makeup I'm gonna apply. And after I have done with my makeup, I got ready already. As you can see, I just wrapped the curtain and I will use this earrings, oxidized earrings, and I have mentioned before, like alta red color thing I'm gonna use. This is the main thing, and it gives the photo proper, like that look which I was like trying to create. This red color kind of thing you have to like apply as a round circle on my palm, and the top of fingers I will apply like this with a cotton ball. That's it. And after I have done with that, I will just use one pin, hairpin, and I will tuck with some rose petals so that I can just tuck on my hair, so that it will gives me that gajra kind of vibe. And the next, this flower is so good, it will give me proper gajra kind of vibe. And yeah, I'm done with my hairstyle. I will keep it like this only. I'll open my hair, that's why I just made some braids so that it will give me that curly kind of vibes. A little bit wet my hair, and I will use this tool as a tripod because I'm not gonna use any tripod for this photo shoot. And as you can see, I just stick some flowers on the front camera. I just rotate the phone for some other pictures, as you can see on the screen, and other ways I just clicked in like normal way. And yeah, So here I'm gonna edit my pictures on Lightroom application. First I will go to the light section and I will increase the exposure a little bit, and I'll decrease the contrast and the highlights too. And then I will just see that shadow increase, or by decreasing it will look good on this picture, because every particular picture you have to go through that kind of color. So yeah, according to that only I will increase the shadow, and I'll decrease the blackest part, and I'll increase the white thing on my photo, so that it will keep balance on my photo. And after this light section, you can go to the on the up of that you can see the curve section is also there in the light section. So if you are an expert on editing in the Lightroom application, then you can do this, or else you can do particularly every section. So after that, color grading option will come. You just need to choose according to your picture what color is there. So I'm gonna choose the off-white color, because I'm wearing mostly part of white only. So yeah, after that I'll just keep blending on balance on that picture, and after that I will increase the temperature a little bit, and I'll decrease the tint, because I just wanted that soft vibe like Pinterest pictures, and I'm not going to set as a bright kind of color. And after that you will get color mixing option. It's a game changer option out here. So you will get varieties of colors option. So red color, if you have in your picture, as like I'm having, so I'm gonna decrease the hue of this red color, then I will increase the luminance of this picture, and I'll increase little bit of saturation also. Then after that I will go to the orange color, because orange color defines your skin color. So I will increase hue, and I will increase the saturation too little bit, and then I'll increase the luminance too, so that my skin color doesn't look go to blackish or dark. So yeah, after that you need to find what kind of colors are you having in your picture. So according to that only you have to add it. So I'm having yellowish color on my picture, so yeah, I will do that too. So yeah, after all of that you just can look on my picture, it's done almost. So yeah, I added my pictures like this only, and after that you just need to save on your device. So yeah, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like this video, then please give the thumbs up to this video, and do please share and subscribe to my channel. So that till then, I love you all, and see you in the next video.